Hello everyone. Have a good day. Welcome to Ifixx Electronics. In today's video we have iPhone 6s Plus that has charging problem. First, we tried replacing charging port. After replacing charging port in the screen, it shows nothing, but in amps meter, it shows 0.005 mA. According to the testing, confirms the phone has TriStar problem. To replace TriStar, we need to take out the board from housing frame. There are a lot of ways to find out damaged TriStar. The TriStar number 1610A3. Use hot air gun to remove TriStar. Clean old solder. Use hot air gun and solder wick to make surface flat. Apply flux. Install new TriStar. After installing new TriStar, clean PCB. Install display and check. Now we have charging logo. Assemble board completely. Our repair is successful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Get your device fixed at Ifixx Electronics SXM.